Thanks to this tip, my house smells like the rich house. To start today's tip, we will use 3 limeys being ideal. With a knife, make to cuts in the lime, just avoiding cutting fully. We should only use this way, as I am doing. This tip will surely surprise everyone who visits your home. The ideal is the use of 3 lines, each prepared in a different way, for different rooms in your home. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Elena Aquino from Mexico. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Next, we will put the limeys individually in small containers. I will make each line with a different aroma to put in different environments of my home. Let's start by adding a small amount of coarse salt, repeating the amount in all limeys, being the ideal item to keep all other active ingredients longer. Just the equivalent of a tablespoon is enough. Then we will also use 3 tablespoons of alcohol, repeating the amount in all containers. With this, one of the tips will be ready with a low cost. And you probably already have all the ingredients in your home. It will be the best tip you can do, and easily. In the second tip, I will add 25 milliliters fabric softener. This is ideal for use in your room. Will always have the smell of sheets and also clean clothes. If you prefer, you can even replace with disinfectant or other aroma you prefer. The differential of the latter is the use of cloves, besides assisting directly in the aroma of the environment. Also acts as insect repellent. I hope you get the same smell I have in my house after I started using this mixture. And remembering that the use of each of these mixtures is up to 2 weeks. Within this time, the smell will be used to the maximum. You will not regret doing. Any visit I receive at home asks me about the smell that is in all environments. I hope you liked our tip today. Have the house smell as good as I have in mine? Then tell me, what was your experience with this tip? Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.